morning, everybody. I'd like to welcome everybody to today's bid. I'm Anderson Irvin with Durrell Design Group, and we are here with Miss Betty Jones, purchasing. Today's bid is for project number 3220, HVAC and indoor air quality upgrade for Jim Hill High School. We have one physical bid that's submitted from Fountain Construction, and his COR number is 01484-MC. His expiration date is October 8, 2023. He acknowledges addendum 1, 2, and 3. His unit prices for the ad for the standard tile is $5 per acoustical tile panel. The ad for the LAT2 is $12 per acoustical tile panel. For the credits, it is $2 for the standard acoustical tile panel and $6 for the LAT2 acoustical tile panel. His base bid is $7,320,000. His subcontractors are all Fountain Construction, that's mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. His big security is 1 tower square. Thank you. That concludes our bid for bid 3220, HVAC, indoor air quality upgrades for Jim Hill. Thank you.